नमस्कार, बीसीआर न्यूज में आपका स्वागत है। दर्शकों, आज हम मौजूद हैं दिल्ली में, जहां पर चल रहा है एक फैशन शो। तो आइए आपको भी लेकर चलते हैं इस फैशन शो में।
Good evening, respected jury. My audience, my name is Alexis McLeod. I'm 18 years old and I just finished my 12th. I'm basically a dancer, an artist and a model. I have an ambition to be an actress. So I believe that an actress needs to be a dancer, a model as well as a good actor. So in all in one, I believe I can be something. I have done a couple of ads and few dance shows so that I can build up myself and come to a certain level. I believe God has given me one life and I will live it to the fullest. That's it. Thank you.
Our attitude towards life determines our lives, of course. With this, I wish you all a very good evening. My name is Purusha Gandhi, 19 years old, from city beautiful Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. Self-propelled and motivated. Walking the ramp uplifts my soul. Recently, I got the title of Miss Queen of India Beautiful Smile 2015 and Miss Queen North 2015. My passion and the quest for the most coveted tiara brought me till here. And the quote which I always follow and which always motivates me is, if I can dream it, I can do it. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं भारती, भारत की राजधानी दिल्ली से। मैंने अभी अपना बीए कंप्लीट किया है और मैं 1983 हूँ एंड मैंने अभी एक शॉर्ट मूवी और एक पंजाबी एल्बम किया है। उसी के साथ मैं सादगी में बिलीव करती हूँ। मुझे लगता है सच्चा इंसान और एक मनुष्य हर एक प्रॉब्लम को, हर एक सॉल्यूशन को अपनी सच्चाई से निभा सकता है। हर एक मनुष्य के अंदर एक सच्चा इंसान होता है और वही मैं बिलीव करती हूँ। मैं अपने देश का गौरव बनाना चाहती हूँ, इसलिए मैं इस फैशन में आई हूँ। थैंक यू।
Respected jury members, my dear friends, and all the lovely audience over here, I wish you all a very warm evening. My name is Jyoti Mahipal. I am 21 years old and I am all the way from the divine land Odisha. I completed my bachelor in business administration. Apart from academics, the real me, an honest heart, a carefree soul, and a big smile that defines me. Recently, in my past few experiences, I gathered some few gold feathers into my life. I've won Miss Navy Queen in 2011, followed by I was the winner of Miss Odisha in 2014, and followed by I was the winner of Miss Global India in 2015. I believe that learning never ends. No matter what position you hold, no matter wherever you are, there is something about it which you always try to keep reaching it. And I hope this dusky dancer is going to win the million hearts of over the country. Thank you. A very warm good morning to the respected judges and everyone present here. My name is Rinki Krilyas and I'm from beautiful city of Dehradun. I've done my graduation in journalism and by profession I'm a model. I won the title of Mrs. Uttarakhand in 2013 and since that day I'm preparing to win different crowns and bring back international country. I firmly believe that you just cannot defeat the person who never gives up. Every day is a fight. So here I am fighting for the coveted crown and starting my journey of success. Thank you so much.
नमस्कार दिल्ली, मेरा नाम प्रियांशु त्रिपाठी है। मैं मध्य प्रदेश के बेहद ही खूबसूरत राजबाड़ी शहर इंदौर से हूँ। मैं एक सीए स्टूडेंट हूँ। अभी हाल में ही मैंने मिस इंदौर का शो किया है। मुझे लगता है कि एक खूबसूरत दिल और खूबसूरत दिमाग इंसान को इस दुनिया का सबसे खूबसूरत इंसान बनाता है। धन्यवाद।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Neha Tom, and I hail from beautiful city of Raipur. A financial analyst by profession, I believe life is not about finding yourself, but creating yourself. And I do it by helping underprivileged kids of an NGO named Pankhuri. I can change the wind, the direction of the wind, but I can adjust my sail to always reach my destination. And here I am today, standing proudly you all. Thank you. A very good evening to everyone present here. My name is Nikita Pandurangi and I'm 20 years old. I believe that there is something beautiful in everything and everyone in life. One should just have the eyes to see it. My family and my friends are both my greatest strength and my biggest weakness. I believe that India requires a change, and a change can be brought about, and I'm here to take a small step towards the change. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Megha Agarwal, coming from a very beautiful city called Pune. First of all, I would like to say something about my attire. I live my life being stylish, so I want my attire to emote that. I'm a nutritionist by profession. I also look after my family business of gold and diamond showroom. About my pageantry journey, I would like to say it's a great platform to bring out the best in girls, and it gives us opportunity to reach out people to help them and also be a role model in the society. Last but not the least, I'm very much grateful to God for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to be a part of such a wonderful pageant. Thank you so much.
Good evening, honorable members of the jury and my dear and lovely audience out here. My name is Shilpa Dar, and as the name justifies, it means something which is carved out of stones to make a statue. And the aim of my life is to carve out the best inside me to be able to help the mankind and humanity. I've been working as a professional actress for the past 7 years, with a couple of shows and feature films as well. But of late I've realized one very important thing which I would like to share with all of you present here, which is that the real and the glamorous life is very different from the real life. In real life, people are much more in need. So, I take a privilege and honor to represent World Orphanage Center as the brand ambassador, and I want to be like a flower wherever it goes and wherever it is placed to spread the fragrance around. Thank you.
Good evening to one and all present here. It's such an honor to be a part of India Exquisite Pageant as a contestant. My name is Dipanjali Singh. I come from the vibrant city of Mumbai. I'm a software engineer by profession. I am a sports person and I believe in the attitude of sportsmanship and being competitive in life. I strive towards excellence in different fields. I also believe that one should always strive for individual betterment in whichever form it may be. I hope you enjoy this glamorous evening. Thank you for coming. Good evening, one and all. I'm Nisha Agarwal, coming from Educational Center of India, Pune. I'm a nutritionist by profession, and I love encouraging people to follow a healthy lifestyle and also make them follow a good diet. About my dress, I love birds and I love my freedom to represent like a bird. And about my pageant journey, I believe a pageant is a great platform that reveals your potential and also it brings out the best in you, just to remain yourself. I will wrap up with a quote which is very close to my heart. A flower, a lady flower just leaves for a day, but it spreads fragrance, beauty and happiness all over. So life is all about it. It's about quality, not quantity. Thank you.
Good evening, respected jury members, and good evening, Delhi. I am here tonight representing every woman who is beautiful inside out, and I am here celebrating my womanhood. Never a single day I regret being born a woman, and I am a cabin crew. I work for Air India, and believe me, you want to give me the crown tonight because I will work my soul off to justify it. Thank you so much.
Honorable Chief Guest, respectable guest of honor, jury, and all of the dearest audience, a very warm good evening to you. My name is Tamanna Swami, and I am representing Ludhiana, the Manchester of Punjab. By profession, I am working as a manager in Allahabad Bank, and this is the first time of patient I am here. Before this, I have got a chance to win Dainik Jagran Perfect Shrimati Award, and also got an honor of winning the Nari Shakti Award by IG Crime Punjab. And if I talk about myself, I'm a simple person and I aim to do something worthwhile for society. I want to give back to the society which I am taking it in so many years, and I think this platform is so beautiful, and I feel so privileged to represent here in the Mrs. category, and I see myself representing my country in USA, and lastly, I am very strong believer of Swami Vivekananda, and I believe his gospel, his famous quote, Matru Deva Bhava, Pitru Deva Bhava, Daritru Deva Bhava, and Mukha Deva Bhava, which means I want to worship the parents as God, the ignorant and poor as God, and I'm working on it and still in the soul to explore myself. Thank you very much.
I'm Shreya Shah. I'm from Satleep, Pune. I'm a childbirth educator. I help expecting mothers to discover eternal journey of motherhood. I'm standing here because of lot of support by my mother-in-law and my husband. I have two lovely angels, Sia and Sachi. And as my platform, I've been teaching 10th standard students from Corporation School to make them believe in spite of circumstances I can dream, and yes, I can dream big. Thank you.
Good evening, Chief Guest, Honorable Judges, and lovely set of audience here. I'm Sinduri. Professionally, I'm an MBA, and I'm heading this wonderful, leading, internationally acclaimed chain of beauty, cosmetology, and weight management clinics. With God's grace, I have several feathers in my cap. I have featured, I'm privileged to have featured on several magazine covers, Femina Fashion, Savvy, ramp shows, movie offers. I'm also corporate trainer for senior management of leading multinational companies on the subject of total wellness and obesity management. I'm also honored to be the chief jury for several beauty pageants like Miss South Indian Queen, Miss Bangalore, Miss Greater Noida. With all these multitudinous achievements, there was a lacuna in my life that I never contested for a beauty pageant myself. So, life is about fulfilling dreams, so I'm here to take the crown home so that I get a much larger platform to contribute to the society to world-class standards. I'm associated with this beautiful foundation called Lively, which executes mass marriages of destitute girls who are in flesh trade, and we get them into marriage with our self-funds. So I want to take services like these to larger context and make a difference to a powerful platform. Thank you very much. I hope you would uphold and give me this wonderful opportunity to rise and shine. Thank you so much.
Good evening, judges and guests. I am Rachna Gandhi from Batinda. I am 37. I complete 20 years of my married life. I have two lovely kids, a beautiful daughter and a charming son. My lovable husband is doing excellent in his business. I am a fashion designer. I am also working with the social NGO Energy Central Club. That NGO is working and helping for poor children and women. We are just trying to educate them about their rights, like women in government, etc. Thank you.
हेलो, गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। मेरा नाम सीमा वर्मा है। मैं मध्य प्रदेश की राजधानी भोपाल से आई हूँ। मुझे बहुत खुशी है इस ब्यूटी पेजेंट में आने का, यहाँ जो कि हमारे यूएस में जाके हमारे इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करने जा रहा है। मेरे लिए ब्यूटी का मतलब केवल बाहरी सुंदरता से नहीं है, बल्कि किसी भी लेडी की भीतरी सुंदरता से भी है, कि वो किसी को कितना कैसा हेल्प करना चाहती है। और मैं चाहती हूँ कि इस तरह के इवेंट्स हमेशा आगे होते रहें, कि इंडिया को हम लोग बाहर भी रिप्रेजेंट करें। थैंक यू।
Good evening all. I am Nuka Chandekar from the Peshwa city of Pune. I am a travel agent and a fashion coordinator. But above all of that, my son, who is a special child, has turned me into a writer. I have written a book about my son and his book titled Growing Up with Down, Raising a Special Child. This book has been translated in Malayalam and
in this book has been written by the World Health Organization and also a piece by the ex-president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. I stand here today using this platform to convey to the society that please help. I wouldn't say help, I'm sorry, but I would say that please look upon our specially abled children not with sympathy but with empathy. Thank you all. Have a wonderful day.
Yes, sir, boy, excuse pageant 2015.
स्वागत करना चाहिए इस मंच पर। नमस्कार।
दर्शकों, बीसीआर न्यूज में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपकी मुलाकात करा रहे हैं मिस इंडिया मिस रजनी सुब्बा जी से। आपका बीसीआर न्यूज में स्वागत है।
Thank you very much. I'm Rajni Subba. I'm born and brought up in Bhutan. My daddy is from India, so I call myself Indo-Bhutanese. And I had represented India last year at Baltimore, USA. And I'm the winner of 2014. And with this title, I feel proud to stand here in front of you all. And
रजनी जी, तो आज 2015 में ये सेम कैटेगरी का प्रोग्राम होने जा रहा है। क्या आपका मैसेज रहेगा जो यहाँ पर पार्टिसिपेटेड हैं उनके लिए?
मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि मैं इंडिया से फर्स्ट ऐसी हूँ जो इस टाइटल के गई हूँ, जो मिस टाइटल है। और ये जो होती है, ज़्यादातर हम सुनते हैं मिस इंडिया और मिसेस इंडिया। हमने वो जो बीच के जो ब्रैकेट है, जो एक लेडी एट द एज ऑफ 30+ and 40+ also might be looking very young and vibrant and still would like to go into pageantry and make a mark in that field, but we didn't have that. So I was the first one from India to have represented in that title. And knowing that we don't have this platform here in India, I accepted the national director post. So I'm doing this India Exquisite pageant for the first time in India. But we have 5 divisions in this. We have contestants from teenage to 50+. And on one stage, we're gonna see all of them together, not competing but celebrating. Of course, the winner gonna get crowns, and they will even go to USA and compete there internationally, representing India at Baltimore, 6th to 8th of August 2015.
Today you are the judge here. How many difficulties you are facing in this participating for modeling?
As far as being a judge is concerned, I think I have selected the women who had the most beautiful heart. And I always believe in excluding warmth, and it's more about the internal beauty than the actual external beauty.
Your wishes for the models?
I just wish them to be their natural self, so that it's when you're natural, when you're honest, then you are yourself. When you are yourself, you can rock the world. And a woman is always an angel, and as there is a saying, the hand that rocks the cradle can rule the world. And I believe in this.
कोई एक ड्रीम ऐसा जो आगे भविष्य में जो है फिल्मों की तरफ जो है, बॉलीवुड की तरफ करेगा?
बॉलीवुड और फिल्म ऐसा चीज है, वो मुझे इल्यूजनरी लगता है। जो हम मिराज बोलते हैं, एक डिजर्ट में एक इंसान को जब प्यास लगते हैं तो उनको कुएं नजर आते हैं। तो मेरे लिए तो वो ऐसी चीज है, वो मैं उसके तरफ नहीं देख रही हूँ। मैं टोटली आई एम सोशल वर्कर, और मैं सोशल काम करके बहुत खुशी होती है। और एक बार आपको जब देने की आदत पड़ जाती है, आपको जो देने में मजा आता है और सुकून जो होती है, और दूसरे के चेहरे के ऊपर आप जब मुस्कान देखते हैं, दैट इज अल्टीमेट, एंड आई लव टू लिव विद दैट। थैंक यू सो मच।
तो देखा दर्शकों, ये थी हमारे साथ मिस इंडिया रजनी सुब्बा। जी हाँ, बीसीआर न्यूज के लिए अजय शास्त्री के साथ मैं आफाक खान समीर, दिल्ली।